Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view comment history on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone and first of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application. And if we want to view comment history, we need to go to our activity center on TikTok. You can go to your profile first and then select the three lines on the top right and select the settings and privacy. Okay, in the settings and privacy, we can scroll down until we find the activity center. And since we want to view our comment history, we can select comment history. Okay, and here you will be able to view all the comments you have made on TikTok. You will be able to delete it as well if you want. Just tap on the comment and then you can tap and hold on your comment and delete it. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to view comment history on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.